Shashi Tharoor has once again become a point of discomfort for the Congress. So much so that it's drawn a sharp jibe from none other than the party president himself, Mallikarjun Kharge. Reacting to Shashi Tharoor's recent article where Tharoor had described Prime Minister Modi as a prime asset for India on the global stage. Mallikarjun Kharge saying, well, I can't read good English, but his language is very good. The entire opposition stands with the army. We say nation first. But for some, it's Modi first. Well, what can I say about that? No prizes for guessing who Mallikarjun Kharge was indicating.
मैं तो अंग्रेजी मेरे को पढ़ने नहीं आता, उनकी लैंग्वेज बहुत अच्छी है, उसीलिए तो हम पार्टी में उनको वर्किंग कमेटी मेंबर बनाया है। तो लेकिन मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि पूरे लोग, अपोजिशन के पूरे लोग मिलके हमने कहा कि देश की आर्मी के साथ हैं, जो हमारा आर्मी लड़ रहा है उसके साथ हैं। तो इसीलिए पहला आवाज मैंने उठाया गुलबर्गे के पत्रकार परिषद में। हम बोले कि देश बड़ा है सबसे, देश के लिए हम सभी लोग मिलके काम करेंगे। पार्टी बाद, देश फर्स्ट हमने कहा। वो अब चंद लोग ऐसा कहते हैं मोदी फर्स्ट देश बाद, तो अब हम क्या करें उसको।
Now the remark, though not naming Tharoor directly, left very little doubt who it was aimed at. And Tharoor, true to his style, chose not to stay silent. In a very cryptic post that Shashi Tharoor put out on social media, that's what you see on our screens there, he says, "Nobody needs permission to fly. The sky belongs to no one." Shashi Tharoor's profound words there. For days now, there's been chatter about whether Shashi Tharoor is preparing to part ways with the Congress. The man himself hasn't really directly confirmed or denied any of that. But what is clear here is the BJP has found a cheerleader sitting right inside the opposition. And when it's someone as erudite, articulate and popular as Shashi Tharoor, it's certainly a bonus that the ruling side wouldn't mind cashing in on.